Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you a very popular and top of the charts recipe, the Veg Manchurian. This dish is an Indo-Chinese fusion which was originated by the Chinese settled in Calcutta, and till date it tops the chart. If this is your first visit to my channel, hello and welcome. I do post such interesting recipes every week. Do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to join me and learn more. The main ingredient for this is the vegetable fritters, which can be had either as a starter in a dry form or can be dipped in a Manchurian sauce and had as a gravy. The only thing to remember is that the vegetables have to be finely minced. Mix all the ingredients along with the flour to form the fritters. There is no need to add any water into this because when you add salt in the vegetables, it releases some of the water content of the vegetable. So that itself will be enough to bind the fritters. Prepare the fritters and set it aside. But remember, the dough will be a little bit sticky to handle. Once the fritters are ready, we start with the frying. Heat oil and do the toothpick test to check whether the oil is hot enough. Carefully drop in the fritters and do not crowd the pan. Maintain the heat on medium-low so that the fritters are fried well and are cooked through and through. Gently turn sides, being very delicate in handling it. When they turn deep golden brown, remove and drain it well. The best part of this recipe is that these fritters can be prepared in advance, even a day before, and stored in the refrigerator. It can be double fried just before serving. The most important thing to remember in a veg Manchurian is that the batter should not overpower the vegetables. That is what gives the taste to the Manchurian. The batter is used just for binding. This sweet, sour, spicy dish will never be found in China, but specially created and modified to suit the Indian palate. Now that the fritters are ready, let's start with the Manchurian sauce. Heat oil, add in the ginger garlic paste, green chilies, chopped onions as well as the spring onion whites. Saute on high flame for a minute and add in the soya sauce and vegetable stock. Always remember that soya sauce contains salt, so be careful before adding it. Now add in the salt and sugar. When it comes to a boil, slowly add in the cornstarch slurry. To prepare the slurry, mix cornstarch with a little water and keep stirring so that it doesn't settle down at the bottom. Add in vinegar and balance the sweet and sourness and bring it to a boil. Switch off and add in the spring onion greens. If you have celery or coriander, the same can be added now. For serving, place the fritters in a bowl and pour in the sauce on the top. Do make and enjoy this delicious recipe. If you find my videos helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and share them with your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching and meet you soon with some more interesting recipes.